Most people think judges decide what's fair. They don't. I'm Beau Johnson. It's December 31st, 2025. Welcome to YesToHellWith.com. In the modern legal system, the judge is not the source of authority. He is the operator of an apparatus. Justice once depended upon wisdom, discernment, and conscience. This is no longer how the system works. Today, outcomes are produced by procedures. Courts are flooded with cases. To keep the machine moving, judges must act with rigid efficiency. Speed replaces fairness. Justice requires time. Truth requires examination. Efficiency requires compression. So justice and truth are removed from the equation. Late objection, waived. Unchallenged jurisdiction, presumed. Silence, consent. The judge doesn't ask what's right or true. He asks whether it was raised properly. This isn't corruption, it's design. And when a system works this way, it isn't justice, it's a racket. And once we see the machine, we stop mistaking the operator, the judge, as the source of power. This is where leverage begins. And as always, may truth reign supreme.